understand what is pressure gradient. Imagine you have any zone, any random zone. Now see, suppose in this zone everywhere you have some 10 Pascal pressure. Suppose in this zone everywhere you have 50 Pascal pressure. Suppose in this zone you have 100 Pascal pressure. Suppose in this zone you have 20 Pascal pressure, and okay, we'll do in this way. Suppose in this zone you have 30 Pascal, and suppose in this zone you have 150 Pascal, and in this zone you have 70 Pascal, something like this. So suppose you want to, suppose you are here, you are standing here, okay. So I am asking about the pressure gradient, okay. Always remember, whenever you have any scalar quantity, actually this I will teach you when I will be teaching you mathematics, okay. I am not blaming you about any basic concept. Currently I will just tell you that whenever you have any scalar property, that scalar property, if you are finding out its gradient, for example pressure, so pressure gradient, temperature, so temperature gradient, density, so density gradient, all the three examples are scalar quantities. I mean pressure, temperature, density, they are scalar quantities, and when you will be finding out gradient of these properties, then gradient becomes a vector quantity, okay. So currently I am explaining you pressure gradient. You can see I am explaining you pressure gradient. So your pressure gradient will be a vector quantity, and you know whenever you have vector quantity, then you will be having your initial point and final point. Just a minute, I am muting everyone, okay. See now, so whenever you have anything vector quantity, so vectors will be having tail also and head also, right? So when you are finding out pressure gradient, so actually pressure gradient is a vector quantity. Now you can clearly understand, if pressure gradient is vector quantity, so it will be, we can show them by arrow, correct? So if we can show them by arrow, it means first we have to decide a particular point from where we have to start. So I am starting at this point, what is my pressure gradient. So now understand what is the meaning of pressure gradient. Meaning of pressure gradient is, from this point you have to draw arrow. So you can draw several arrows, but pressure gradient will be a particular arrow which will target from your location towards the maximum location. That's all. From your location towards the maximum location, that arrow will be your pressure gradient. I hope it's clear, okay. Now suppose you are standing here, so in that case you will not follow the same arrow. No, you will not follow the same arrow. You will go from your location to the maximum location. Suppose you are standing here, then this is, you are standing here, then this is. I hope pressure gradient is clear. Not only pressure gradient, temperature gradient, density gradient, like these three are popular gradients: pressure, temperature, density. So now I will explain again. Whenever there is airfoil, now let's relate that point with the airfoil.